Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Acrobat lets you view an open PDF document in a number of ways. It's important to note that, like Acrobat's various zoom tools, these features do not edit the content of the open PDF in any way, but simply change the appearance of the PDF on the computer's screen. Select View, Page Display from the menu bar to view a side menu of viewing options. Acrobat's default view is Single Page View, which means the application will only display one page of the open document at a time. If you choose Enable Scrolling from the Page Display menu, your mouse's scrolling wheel can be used to move through the document. If you choose Two-Page View from the Page Display menu, Acrobat will display two pages side by side in the main document window. This can be handy if you are working with a PDF that is going to be printed as a brochure or a booklet and you want to see how the opposing pages are going to look next to each other. The two-page scrolling option will display pairs of pages in a similar way, but with this choice you can use your mouse to scroll through the document. The Page Display menu also lets you check and uncheck options for showing gaps between the pages of your PDF and showing the cover page of your document in a two-page view. You can also turn on a feature called Automatically Scroll found at the bottom of the Page Display menu. This option, when checked, will slowly scroll through your PDF automatically. Notice how the thumbnail images shown in the Page Thumbnails panel in the navigation pane reflect the portion of the document being displayed during the scrolling process. To stop this scrolling, simply uncheck the option in the Page Display menu. If you choose Read Mode from the View command in the menu bar, the toolbars and task panes disappear and the open PDF file is resized to fill the window. Notice that a floating toolbar appears at the bottom of the document when you move your mouse over that area. To exit Read Mode, simply click the Show Main Toolbar button on the far right end of the floating toolbar and the workspace returns to its former appearance. You can also choose Full Screen Mode from the View drop-down menu. This is very handy for making presentations. When you choose Full Screen Mode, the menu bar, toolbars, and task panes disappear and the open PDF document is resized to fill the screen. To navigate Full Screen Mode, you can left-click your mouse to advance through the pages. Right-click to return to previous pages. You can also press the Enter or Space bar key on your keyboard to move through pages. Holding down the Shift key on your keyboard and then pressing either the Enter or Space bar keys on your keyboard will move to the previous pages. To exit Full Screen Mode, you can either press the Escape key on your keyboard or use the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl+L to exit.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.